Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share very beautiful videos, very charming, very attractive and stunning videos of this video. It's all about the Decortalks of my channel, and Decortalks videos are gardens designs are also trending, and also charming and beautiful things are most demanding videos. You are good looking and attractive videos in a different amazing and attractive design. You will be amazing, you will be perfectly and stunning videos are also beautiful ideas. In good looking and attractive videos, you are looking beautiful of gardens. Or also gardens designs are more attractive and stunning designs. You will be amazing, you will be perfectly and stunning videos. Hope so. I really share newest videos in a newest designs in different types of ideas. In different types of videos are more beautiful things, are more beautiful ideas. Your beautiful charming strokes. Hope so. I really share with you. I really share with attractive designs and attractive videos. Our gardens according videos are also more attractive designs in a different beautiful things, beautiful videos. You looking very beautiful and charming designs in a charming videos, and different amazing ideas, different types of videos are also more much amazing videos, and different types of beautiful things in our beautiful videos. I really share with newest videos are attractive and stunning designs in indirectly beautiful things in our beautiful videos. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button for notification. Always be sharing most demanding and most attractive videos. You are looking very beautiful and charming looks in a charming designs are also share attractive designs in different types of ideas, in different types of videos are also sharing most attractive videos and more beautiful things and different amazing ideas. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking at fantastic videos. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.